So what's up guys, today's video about how to maintain your bike and how to wash your bike well. So yeah, check this out. So let me tell you some few things how to wash your bike. Just if you use the high pressure, just go for a distance, keep a nice distance to just make it wet. So yeah, otherwise you're gonna wash out your degrease and that's not good for the bike. So yeah, first things first, just give a wash from the distance. So then use some bike degreaser or just a bike cleaner to get your chain really clean, nice and clean. As you can see, this is the dent of the what I got. Just a little dent, guys. So yeah, and then get out your wheels and get your brushes and start brushing everything out. So yeah, let's go. So the next thing guys, just get the wheels out, set them up and wash them all the dirt out of the cassette down there. So make sure it's really clean, nice and clean. So yeah, let's keep going. These are the bike maintenance things what I use. It's of course a chain lube. This one is specific one, not on the grease base, but on the wax base, so it doesn't grease up your brakes. Of course, the brake cleaner and the final Dutch silicone spray, so the dust doesn't come on. We got a nice cloth, so we're gonna make the bike dry, blow it off everything, and put it back together. And then do some chain oiling, so I can show you that as well. So what we're gonna do now is just blow it off the whole bike and make it nice and dry. So especially the chain and the chain drive, the cassette, brakes, all the holes, so it's completely dry. Bike shine, we use silicone spray, so you can see now it shines a lot. So we're gonna use a little bit of silicone so the dirt doesn't stick to the bike, and then the last part is the chain. So stay tuned for that. Oops, a little bit too much. But that doesn't matter. Just main thing is just go very close to the chain crank so no grease doesn't get to the brakes or tires. So yeah, I use this specific wax what is not on the grease base, so it helps me to easier wash the bike after riding, because I know any silicone doesn't get to the brakes and they work properly. So a little bit and then shift it up to all the gears, so get nice all with gears. So it will help for the gear switching. So what's up guys, after the good wash and good maintenance you can do some upgrades. So I just got a package from the bike discount, so let's check it out what we got. So we got a bike clean from Motorex, such a very good brand and a high quality product, so I highly recommend this one for your bike maintenance. Amazing product. So we got the pedals. I got them for 25 euros. It's quite heavy, but I like the spikes. They're quite sharp, so yeah, very nice pedals. Then I get some very short lockdown grips. Yeah, I like it. Looks very nice. So yeah. Then I got the bar, but there is some mistake. They sent me the pink one. Actually, I ordered the silver one. So this is the Fat Boy 750, I think. So yeah, really like this bar. It's nice and wide, so you can control your bar very nice. So yeah, check these things. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching this episode. I'm gonna leave the links below. Check them out and stay tuned for the bike building video. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. That will really help the channel grow faster. So yeah, big shout out to you guys and see you soon.